Ay, okay kasi this is the first time that I'm going to work with them. And to meet them also, yung makikita mo lang sila sa mga write-up at tsaka sa SOCMED. Pero, kasi wala na akong TV. Wala na akong free TV sa bahay kung hindi mga Netflix, yung mga ganyan lang. So, I get to know all these new artists only in SOCMED. So, of course, wala akong idea how they are. Very pleasant. Very pleasant and surprisingly, merong artista sila. So this is a very pleasant experience working again with director who I've worked with and some of yung staff and crew who I've worked with before. It's parang ang feeling mo parang homecoming. Yeah.